Me no want you. Me a whore. Me a whore and that's why me fuck your dirty man and get a house. Cause me a whore. Me a whore. Me a proud blood clot whore. Me suck your cock, me lick out your blood clot body. Me suck your toe, me do everything and me get a blood clot house. And you can't take it from me. And you can't take nothing out of me blood clot house, dirty man. You left America for come and Jamaica come make me life a living blood clot hell. And you now gonna make me life a hell, dirty boy. Me no want you. Me fuck you. You can't put my house up for sale drunk. You idiot. Me fuck them right down there, so. And it's a man in your blood clot come to Jamaica come engage me and me still no want you. And me still did a fuck him and me not stop fuck him. And any man me want fuck and feel me pussy and me dash you out to any blood clot man me want fuck. Me no want you. You dirty man, you walk and disgrace me too much. Me no want you. Me fed up on you. I don't want you. You left foreign come now to make me life a living there. Me no want you. I mean, I want you more down and talk. Me don't want you. Me done with you, you dirty mama, man. And me draws the man blood clot. Take on a smell, girl. You come here to kill me. You come here to murder me. Me no want you.
Well, she tell him everything, you know. If him still want her after that, then I feel problem that. The woman don't tell him say she is a whore. She a dirty whore. She fuck one man down there so and get house and this and that and you come from America. Then brother, you left America where you have so many choices. And you could at least find a little woman where I try. But you know let me talk truth. Some of you leave America with your uku bit of money, right? And you feel like say you can go into the island and look for some impoverished girl and then use and abuse her any which way you can because you fly in from foreign and you have your uku bit of money. That's all. But when it backfire like this, you had an agenda, she have an agenda too. Because I can't say why you would have left America, gone and Jamaica, go pick up something like that. And she's talking to you like that. Me don't care what nobody wants to say. From a woman that talk to you like that, take for yourself and never return. That me I tell you, never return.